Good morning, it's another Monday here at the workshop. It's bank holiday, so it's really busy up here today because all the people who rent workshops who have 9 to 5s are here today on a bank holiday. And yes, it is very, very busy. So there's lots of noise, lots of stuff going on. So today I can't be late because I had a bit of a lay-in, and I am starting on the Mini. Now the sump plug has turned up, so I'm going to put the sump plug in, fill it up with oil, sort the fuel pipe out, and we'll see if it fires. Why the hell not? I've got a magnetic one this time, and it also says it needs 3 copper washers on it according to the website, so that's what we've done. So as you saw there, the sump plug threads are completely different. I've gone back on Mini Spares website, and the thread that I've got seems to be the only one available, so I'm going to drop them an email. I'm wondering whether I've got to have whether that's a sub nut from something different and someone's rawed that in because the thread had gone. So I'm wondering whether I've got to have it helicoiled. Oh joy. But anyway, let's get on with chucking a bit of paint on it. I'm laying down a bit of black just so I can cover all the primer up and put all the lights and that in to try it. I mean, if it comes out alright, I'll leave it for now. So yeah, both wings are done. I've just got to put a coat on the front and the bonnet, and then round the windscreen frame because that's a little bit open. I haven't done this bit yet, obviously, because it's got to be welded. Well, that's the first bit in. Done a coat on the front wings and the front panel. Obviously yet to do the bonnet and the windscreen surround, and it probably needs another couple of coats, but I've done that with 1 can. So if I get a couple more cans, we should be all right. Obviously, it's nowhere near perfect. It's full of dust, but it's better than grey primer. So once that's all done, at least that'll be fairly, what's the word, presentable on the road if I do take it out as it is. Right, well, we got a coat on the bonnet, both the wings, the windscreen surround, and obviously the front panel. You know, it's not perfect, it's not even nice, but it's better than primer and different colours. So I'll probably give it another coat or 2, but I'll let that dry for a day. I've also been drilling holes in the floor into the I-beam, but my battery drill managed to do 3 and a bit before running out. So I think this is going to take quite a bit of time. This is one of the most boring jobs in the world, drilling holes. So I'm going around drilling all the outside to be able to bolt these sheets down. It's going through quite easy, but my God, it's boring. Also, while I'm up here, you can see the front of the Mini is painted. Yes, you can see bits on it, like there and there, but obviously I didn't prep the surface or anything. I just literally sprayed over what was there just so there's a level of protection on it. So that was yesterday, so it should be dry now. I'll remove all the professional masking and sheeting that you can see. There we go. Painted the surround, so that's all now black. Painted the front, obviously you can see sand marks underneath it, etc. And there's a bit there, so yes, it's nowhere near perfect, but hopefully you'll agree it's a damn sight better than all the primer. So that'll do for now, just so we get it rolling, just so we get, you know, back on the road, make sure it's all good, and then, you know, we can eventually get a respray. I will need to do that rear quarter as well, so I can put the glass and that back in, but and obviously once we've welded that up, do that little bit there. So that's the next job now, is to move on to the rear quarter. Batteries are charging again. I've got most of the way around the first half of the floor. But anyway, I've done the rear end on the Mini now. All the bits that were bare or primer, I've now put this on. I mean, I'm still tempted to just do the whole lot, you know. I don't know. It's going to look odd, isn't it, with just a load of black? Is it better if I just put black all over it? So anyway, other than this bit here, where it's got to be welded, I haven't done that yet. But we've got black over all the bits that were bare. So now I suppose we can put a battery in it and start testing. Yeah, I think that's what we'll do next. Hopefully I better get it painted properly one day. Right, well, it's Friday afternoon. There's not been a lot gone on this week other than drilling, painting the Mini, more drilling, a bit more drilling, and some drilling. So yeah, not been a very exciting week. I'm currently getting the BRM ready, or I say ready, I'm just going over the fluids, etc. It's going to Cars and Coffee at CAS, Car Audio Security. Got tickets for the Hot Hatch event, so we're going over there tomorrow. So I might take some video and pictures from there and just add it to the end of this video. So yeah, so I'm just getting rid of that ready. I've also been out this morning to do a recovery job for a friend of mine. He didn't really want it on video because he's not sure what's the situation with it. So for now, that's basically a morning that I haven't been able to give you anything to look at. So yeah, so I'm just gonna get this ready. I'm gonna go and get it washed, take a few photos of it because I am going to advertise it for sale. And then yeah, so hopefully I'll get some video of the event tomorrow.